Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going on to Bitcoin. Big of the CoinsKid crew, thank you for support, thank you for liking the channel, and obviously your subscription on YouTube. Thanks for liking the video as well, thank you. If you're not already involved in Discord for extra content on a daily basis, live streams, trade setups, not just from myself, from many other analysts as well, and equally chart requests, then definitely get involved in the Discord, okay? The links are in the video description and on coinskid.com. So let's dive into the video right now and see what we can see, okay? So looking at CoinsKid.com heat map, I noticed that this particular project here, XMR Monero, which I do hold a lot of, to be honest with you, was in the floor. So I've actually took this as a buying opportunity. So I Googled why, what's going on with XMR. I did tweet this out this morning to the CoinsKid crew. But what's happened is Binance have come out and they're saying they're delisting this particular coin, okay, which I think is an opportunity. Again, obviously Binance is a massive exchange, but there are other exchanges you can buy this coin. So I think it'll have a recovery. We did see a recovery way back there on Solana when, all the FUD and the fear and things like that. Now I don't necessarily think this will do a Solana, but I think this is an opportunity to just buy cheaper XMR because I think XMR is a fantastic project. But again, that's my own opinion. So if you want to buy XMR, I would recommend MEXC. This is where I'm buying my XMR. So yeah, again, I do like to buy FUD. When we see things like news, negative things come out about certain coins, I look at them as an opportunity. For example, when it's positive and it's taken off in space, I look at them as an opportunity, if I'm in them particular coins, to take profit. For example, like when XRP won the court case, it was bolting out. Everyone thought we were going to go to $1 million and things like that. But I was actually taking profit on that day, and I did relay that information to you because we met my 1618 target, okay? So again, I think, positive news is always a sort of catalyst to take profit, and negative news, FUD, bearish news, sentiment is always a catalyst to actually enter that coin and buy some of it, okay? So yeah, XMR, fantastic little project in my opinion, and at the minute it's got a lot of FUD around it. That's why it's in the floor right there. And again, if you want to buy XMR, the links in coinskid.com and a video description. MEXC, I think, is a fantastic exchange for that, okay? So let's dive into the Bitcoin video and see what we can see. So looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, there was a comment yesterday saying, is there a possibility that we are in the third wave? And I did relay this message to you yesterday. Absolutely, it is possible. But what I want to see for Bitcoin is from this point right now, I need to see Bitcoin take out that local high before losing that low, and that increases the probability. Okay, we're still in the third wave, and we have to respect it, and we are going vertical basically. So I think there's an increased chance that the wave 3 is over because of the target that was met, the 2.618. Like I said to you, that's my minimal target, and it met it like an absolute boss. At that point, I expect some kind of macro correction, and pretty much that's what it looks like we're getting at the moment. So I hope it gets invalidated, but this is the count that I'm looking at the moment. I think we've got an ABC here. This is the A, this is the B, and we'll have some kind of C wave correction as a possibility. Now to negate that, what I'm looking at is for Bitcoin to take out that resistance point before losing that low, and then yeah, I've got to entertain the fact that that the wave 3 is still at play here. But the wave 3 at the moment, like I said to you way back in the summer, we went sideways, didn't we? From April to September, we bottomed out. We've got the 5 waves down here, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. We had the big bump and run pattern which played out like an absolute boss, which I relayed to you as well. At this point, I remember from this bottom on the micro, around about the hourly time frame, we came up in 5 waves. We retraced an ABC to the 55 EMA. At that point, I said to you, we've got a massive trade here. If I'm correct, we should break in a wave 3 to a minimal target, and I think it was around about the 47k target, wasn't it? And there was confluence at that, and that was the level I was looking for, because from that pivot low to that pivot high, I was looking at a 2.618. Now take a look at that, okay, and I did relay this to you. Look at that level of resistance just there, the 2.618. That's my minimal target for the wave 3, okay, and it's done exactly that. So in my opinion, this could say to us, the fact that we've met the 2.618, that the wave 3 is over right now, okay, and we're looking at some kind of macro ABC zigzag here before continuation. It's possible, okay, so at the minute I can't exactly say 100% that's it, the wave 3 is over, but the increased probability of it being over, the fact that we've met the 2.618, which is my target, possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves and a big massive wave 3 right there, and right now we've got a macro correction wave 4. So I'm looking at some kind of zigzag. If we break down below this head just there at roughly 38516, it's a low that we put in way back there on Tuesday 23rd of January. If we take that out before taking that out, then yeah, you got your wave 4 zigzag right there, okay. If not, obviously we've had a correction just there, and right now we're continuing, and we're still within the third wave, and we're going much further than the 2.618. So again, respect the fibs. At the moment we have done everything to say that the wave 3 is over, but obviously we're looking for the zigzag correction, if I'm correct, before continuation. So I understand the update, but right now, Bitcoin's a little bit boring, a little bit lackluster, but we are back above the ribbon. So if we do start to take out this this resistance on the daily, I expect a technical target of an inverse head and shoulders to be met, and I've gone through this with you in a previous video. That could be the target right there, 47328. Now I do think if we take a look on the 4-hourly time frame just there for Bitcoin, there is a God candle back test, and I think we're looking for that at minimal anyway. And I did relay this on the way down. Fear not, I think Bitcoin will eventually come back up to back test this support just there that it's melted through. I call this the God candle back test. Okay, so that could be a significant level of resistance if we start to break out. Okay, 45573. So this is basically Bitcoin at the moment. We might have some kind of horizontal there. If you take a look, some kind of symmetrical triangle, we're getting really close to it. Look at that, some kind of breakout just there, really compress from left to right. If we do start to take off, these are my levels of resistance above. If we take out this red line, this local high that we put in on the 11th of January prior to taking out that low, then yeah, we're still in the third wave, and this has just been a micro correction within the third wave. Good luck everybody, hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, bye bye.